Well, welcome back. So, last video, you saw us head out to Cars and Coffee. It was a lot of fun. Saw us put Stage 1 tunes on our cars. Also a lot of fun. Been driving them around and I was like, you know what? Stage 1 is so fun. Let's do Stage 2. 'Cause that's a real thing, I guess. But seriously, today, I have the need for speed, and we're going to go and install some Go Fast parts on my car. So let's take a look at that real quick. So first we're going to start off with the Cobb cold air intake, which we have the boxes right here. You got the filter, some bits and pieces, the box, my car keys. Oh look, you can see now. So we're going to start off with that. Should be fairly easy. And then I have the Cobb downpipe right here. Ignore the amount of boxes that I have strewn everywhere. And then in this package we've got some gaskets in case mine are cashed out. Some more gaskets. And some exhaust bolts, because mine were pretty much, tapped out, jacked up last time I was under there. So we're just going to go ahead and replace those unless, the dealership replaced them themselves. And, yeah, we're going to go to there. That's what we're going to work on today. So let's head over to the car. Alright, so like I said, we're going to start with the air intake, because the engine's still kind of warm and it's hot outside. I don't feel like, getting underneath the car while it's still warm. But basically, we're going to remove this whole section right here. We're going to reuse this part. So I'm actually going to take the time to clean that up, make it look nice, and then that section back there is going to get replaced. And yeah, so yeah, cue to me working on the car. And then this is what we're left with. All the pieces sitting there on the ground, Citizen making sure they're not growing legs, going nowhere. Next, we gotta take MEF sensor. Oh, shit. It's 2 screws, pretty easy. Just make sure that, you just don't mess it up. And there we go. And we're just going to install that right into the other pipe directly, because I don't want this getting all banged up and stuff, so right into the other one. And there we go. It's installed, and what's cool is that you can only install this one way, so you don't have to worry about it being jacked up. But now it's safe and contained, and we can go back to putting everything else in the car. And there we have it. The whole thing is installed. I like it. It looks really clean. At least this little section of the engine bay looks clean. I mean, the rest of it's kind of gross. But, you know, right here is nice. So that's good. So yeah, next we're going to do the downpipe. Hardest part should just be jacking the car up and then getting the bolts out the backside of the turbo. But other than that, it should be pretty simple. It's just another exhaust piece. And then we tune it and we see how it goes. Alright, so we're going to remove 5 bolts from the backside of the turbo. We're going to disconnect the O2 sensor, and then we're going to go and disconnect it from, careful, the rest of the exhaust. Just wanted to show you on the downpipe that's not in the car because it's going to be a little bit easier to see, but it's a little easier to see. But yeah, so time to get into the car.
It's good.
Okay, so for some reason my camera batteries won't stay charged. They keep dying on me. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, reasons. So I'm gonna make this quick because I really want to just get this, you know, downpipe installed. So let's go look at it. So here's the new downpipe. As you can see, we already got the new O2 sensor put back in there, and we're gonna stick her back there. So like I said, I'm gonna put this battery back down to charge, and we'll pick it back up when it's put back together and cue the fun stuff. Alright, and the new downpipe is in. I love how they got this bung already ready for you, so if you want to install a wideband, you can. That's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna throw the heat shield back on, and then we're gonna tune her. All right. Hopefully this thing doesn't explode. Now there's really only one more thing left to do. That's to put it on the butt dyno and see how she does there. So cute butt dyno. Ready?
Yep.
The anticipation is killing me.
Oh, is it?
Always. Jesus.
What?
The RPMs dropped hella low on that.
And I was thinking you killed it. I was like, wait a second.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Taking the left down the road.
We're taking the left to Mexico.
Shit.
What the fuck?
The left to Mexico. And we're here.
Okay. Yeah. Holy shit.
That was the difference.
We were definitely going fast.
Yeah.
The car wasn't trying to though.
No.
It just went really fast.
You should take a left up here.
Take a left?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's all I got. Stage 2 complete. Air intake, downpipe, bass tune from Cobb. I got more parts to put on, and to be honest, I'm probably gonna hold off for a little bit because this is a lot of fun and I kind of want to actually enjoy the car for a little bit before I really stick her under the knife. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, and see you guys in the next video.
Wait, we're not in Mexico anymore.
No, we're in Mexico.